Hi. The delicate skin under your eyes is often the primary site where you see the early signs of damage and aging. So what do you do to protect the skin under your eyes? More often than not, the skincare products you're using for the rest of the face will be enough to take care of the skin under your eyes as well, along with some additional care that you take when you step out, where you have direct sun exposure, dust and exposure to pollutants, wherein you wear those nice big shades, along with taking periodic breaks if you have excess screen time, using cold compress, and doing certain eye massages that will help in improving the blood circulation to the skin around your eyes. But if you're dealing with signs of pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, this calls for additional care and some additional products that will help in addressing all these concerns. So if you're someone dealing with all these concerns, here's a product recommendation for you. Under eye cream for dark circles and puffy eyes by Wrinkles is suited to all skin types. The key ingredients in this product are chenopodium quinoa seed extract that has fatty acids which keep the under eye skin hydrated and plump by restoring the skin barrier functions. It's also a great source of vitamins C and E, which helps in taking care of the under eye puffiness, dark circles and fine lines. The next ingredient is lumiskin that inhibit the activity of tyrosinase, thereby having skin lightening properties. Cream can be used as a part of your AM and PM skincare routine. While taking all this extra care and using extra products, it's also very important for you to work on the underlying cause for your concerns. Also, talk to your dermatologist and make sure there is no underlying medical condition leading to these concerns.